So there's going to become a time, very likely, that the classic downloader app is not going to be available on your Firestick. Let's not joke about it. It gets removed all the time. It goes back. It gets takedown notices. It goes back. So what I'm going to do for you today is show you how to install applications onto your Fire TV device or your Firestick without downloader. This is a great process to learn anyway. Really useful, really easy. And actually, a lot of you will probably use this instead of using downloader anyway. Okay, before we do that though, if you can, do remember to hit that subscribe button. We do cover everything streaming here. I will show you my channel at the end of this video, so do stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to ignore downloader today, and I'm going to install an app directly onto my Fire TV device really easily, really simply. Okay, so what do? Let me just get what we need. We're going to use my mobile phone today. As you see, here is my mobile phone. And you're going to go into your app store in here, and you're going to type in Easy Fire Tools. Okay, Easy Fire Tools, and you're going to install this application. It's really simple. Get it installed, and once you've got it installed, find your app on your phone. Yeah, as you see, my phone over there. You can open up the Easy Fire Tools, and what that will do will show you every single application you have installed on your phone. So the apps you have on your phone, you can now send really easily to your Firestick Fire TV device. Okay, so if you get confused on this, just pause the video, rewatch. At the top there, you'll see a little square with like a connection symbol. I've just pushed it there. It's going to search for the devices on your network. The one key thing here, you have to be on the same network as your Firestick. So if your Firestick or Fire TV is connected to Wi-Fi, you need to be on the Wi-Fi, not your mobile data, okay? Does that make sense? So you must be on the same network. Discovered devices. So this has discovered my Firestick, which I'm sat next to. I'm going to click that. And as you'll see at the bottom there, selected device, Chris's 5th Fire TV is now connected. Brilliant. There's now a little button right in the top corner. And that one then connects it to it, which then pops up. Let me just hide that for a second. Then pops up the allow US debugging, which allows that connection from your phone to your Firestick. So you see this on the Firestick screen now. Personally, I will click always allow from this computer because that's my phone. Okay, I'm not going to allow it always currently because I use this for video purposes, but you guys can do that. So you click OK. Let me bring my phone back up. Not that one, that one. Okay, so we're going to click OK, and then you're going to click continue on your phone as well. We are now connected. Now what you can do is pick a app you want to send over. So I could send over a streaming app, I could send over an app store, I can send anything over. But obviously the apps you send over have to be compatible with a Firestick. So for instance, I will send over, let me show you actually, on my Firestick, in my apps, I do not have ITVX installed, and I do not have Aptoid installed. So I'm going to test with those two for you. So I'm going to click ITVX, click send, and as you see, it will send over for us now. The process sometimes can go a little bit slow to do the percentages, but it is transferring that app. Once it gets to 100, it will tell you it's installed. Installation in progress. It's installing. Operation successful, we see at the bottom there. So now if I look in my apps again, at the bottom here we now have ITVX. Okay, let's do another one. What one did I say? Aptoid is an app store. So we can click on Aptoid. Should Aptoid be installed? Click yes. Smaller file this one, it should go over a bit quicker, and that will install onto our Fire TV device again. If any of you are after applications which are compatible with your Firestick, Fire TV, underneath this video is a link to my website where you can search all the apps on your mobile phone. So click it under the video on your phone if you want to. Go and have a look through. You can download the apps onto your phone and then send them over with this process. This is going to be a great process going forward in the future for people when downloader does get removed. So majority of the time when downloader gets removed, it comes back again. The next app is being installed. It comes back again, but you might have a week without it. I actually like this process because I can just find it on my phone and then send it. and I don't have to worry about typing into downloader, scrolling with the Firestick remote. It just simply sends it over. Operation successful. And there we go. Did you see it appear above my head? Now we have Aptoid. Brilliant. Right, let me get my phone out of the way. Let me know underneath. Don't know why I moved my mic away. Let me know underneath what you thought of that one, and let me know if it works for you. Give it a try and try it out. Also, like I stated, if you are new here, my channel has tons of videos. It might be installing applications, it might be other settings, it might be checking for viruses, it might be updates, it could be everything from Android TV to Firestick. It could be installing apps without download on a NVIDIA Shield or a Android device. All happens. Just notice I spelled a word wrong there. Anyway, all on my channel. So hit that subscribe button. We're on nearly 580,000 followers. We've been doing this a long time now, and we'd appreciate more of you joining in. We do giveaways and everything like that. And quickly, before you do leave, a quick word from one of our partners. We do this at the end of the video because if you're not after a VPN or anything like that, we're not promoting it to you at the beginning. We're just letting you know about it at the end. We are partnered with IPVanish. We do get a small commission if you need a VPN and use our link. But underneath, we do get the best prices for you. So at $2.99 at 77% off, you can get a VPN which will work on your Fire Stick, your mobile phone, your PC, pretty much all devices which connect to the internet. But you only have to buy one account and you can put it on all of them. Okay, that's linked underneath with a 30-day money-back guarantee, advanced encryption, unmetered device connections, verified no traffic logs, proxy web servers, no data transfer caps, and servers in 75 plus regions, all linked underneath for you. It's great for protecting your Fire TV traffic, but just remember, if you're trying to move applications like I've just shown you and you're on a VPN, you're going to be on a different network than your other thing, unless you're on the same network servers. That's the only way to do it, obviously. So obviously don't use your VPN when you're sending files between yourself. There's no worries there. You're just sending between your phone and your Fire TV stick, so you don't need a VPN on for that. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you liked that one. I'll be back throughout the week with more videos for you. As always, we bring you multiple videos a week, sometimes even 7 videos a week, because it's coming up to Christmas. Loads of you getting new devices, and let's show you how to get them all set up. Brilliant. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.